Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Jess, and this is the Garden Diaries, episode 2. This week we're going to be talking about tomatoes, greens, and unfortunately how I protected my first seedlings of 2022 from some unexpected weather. What I did to protect the garden against the frost and the snow, we had some -9 temperatures at one point. Any seedlings that were poking up, I just covered them with a little bit of soil. Then I put a blanket over top, right on the soil surface. Then I put the plastic over the hoops, and then I put a tarp over it once the sun went down. And this actually worked. I was really shocked. Every morning, 6 a.m., I would go out there to check to see if the soil surface was frozen, and it wasn't frozen. It was cold, but it wasn't frozen. Exactly what I'm looking for. Let me go. Hello friends. I was not expecting to be doing this today, but the sun actually came out in my neighborhood. We're planting tomatoes, and I am very excited. I even put on my red shirt because I'm that much of a dork. So I've got my little seed starting tray here, and I've got my seed starting soil, attempting not to get too much dirt on my clothes, but most likely failing. This is a trick my dad taught me actually. You just want to go like this. Just to let it settle. You want soil to be a bit compacted so that your seeds don't accidentally get too low and then rot. And I got dirt all over me. I brought out my seed collection. These are my tomatoes. I have a whole whack of different varieties of tomatoes because I couldn't decide, and I know I can't grow all of these, but I'm going to grow a few plants of each and then make my decision later because it's better to have too many than not enough. You want to sow these tomato seeds about a 1/2 inch deep. We're going to start with the Farm Roma. I got these at the seed swap. They're a bush variety. Those are the seeds. Maybe I'll stick 2 or 3 in each cell just to make sure, because I'm not sure where these seeds came from or what the germination rate is. Next, I'm going to plant the Manitoba tomatoes. Oh, geez. When you open your seed packet, just be careful because they can sometimes get stuck in the glue there. I'm going to plant 1 in each, maybe. Usually you plant 2, but I really only need 1 plant for my garden, so maybe I'll plant 2 in one of them, just for good measure. Next up, I'm gonna do the Amish paste. See what I mean by getting stuck in the tape? Next up, we're gonna do indigo tomatoes. Something I'm most excited about, I think, with growing the tomatoes is learning how to preserve them. And last but not least, these gorgeous tomatoes. Sunrise Bumblebee. Those are so tiny, and it only came with 10. Boop. And boop. Really, really lightly just cover that up. And lastly, I'm going to put a humidity dome on this to keep the moisture in while it sits on the heated floors, and then once it sprouts, I'll move it under my grow lights. So I'm going to go and do that and warm these up because it's getting cold outside. Don't wait for me, honey. Don't wait. Hi guys, I'm back outside. I took a little break and I actually changed my mind. I'm gonna plant my lettuce, my kale, my romaine, my Swiss chard, my cilantro and arugula. I'm gonna plant them all outside right now before it starts raining too hard, and then I won't want to come outside probably all week. I have 16 rows of things to plant, so I'm actually gonna kind of draw in my rows before I plant. So that's like 3, 4, oh good grief. Some of the roots get really stuck. Hopefully I'm not disturbing them too bad. Something I've learned kind of just from doing these few rows is that you really want to put the knife in very straight and push against the plug tray as much as you can so that you're not digging right into the soil. That way you're not disturbing the roots. Then kind of once you get it to the bottom, you push against the soil and you just slightly pull up. That's kind of what I've been doing, and it's been working. That's looking great. All my lettuce is officially in the beds. I think this is gonna fill out nice and densely in the next month or so. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. This has been a great week. A lot of things are in progress and the harvest is coming, so get out in your garden and hopefully there's some sunshine coming your way soon. Bye guys, thanks for watching.